Hi students, this is Kameshwari from Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society group of institutions affiliated to NAC NBA. My subject watershed management. In that watershed management we are previously discussed about unit 1 completed. In unit 2 also introduction of soil erosion we can completed and how gullies are formed. Now, what are the steps involved in the gully formation that will be we can discuss in previous classes. In how gullies are formed, the first initial point is during heavy rains the water will be run off through that rain due to rainfall also water will be eroded. And next step is landslides. Narrow channels will be formed, landslides and revegetation will be growing. In this soil erosion, how soil are eroded, how soil are formed? The soil are formed due to physical disintegration, chemical weathering of rocks. Soil is eroded due to parent rock. Soil will be transferred from one place to another place due to wind or water or air, water maybe. So detached soil particles from parent rock, transportation of detached soil particles by wind, water. And types of erosions: sheet erosion, next one is rill erosion, gully erosion, ravines erosion, and land slide size and stream bank erosion. These are the different types of erosion. The first one is sheet erosion. This sheet erosion already we can discuss. During heavy rains soil will during heavy rain over a period of time, so water will be stagnant on a top of the surface, so up and downs due to slopes water will be eroded. Due to that eroded, top of the soil will be slowly left from the top of the ground surface. So initial stage soil erosion, raindrops on the top soil hit the top of the soil, and along with runoff the mud water moves away from the field. So water absorbed, some of the water will be infiltrated into the ground surface, remaining water stagnant on the ground surface. So water will be absorbed, that mud water moves away from the field. It is a uniform removal of top of soil in thin layer from the field. Due to that erosion of water from the ground surface, along with water soil particles also run up. That is also known as uniform removal of top soil in thin layer from the field. And what is rill erosion? The rill erosion means when runoff start, channelization begins and erosion is no longer uniform. Initiation are formed on the ground and erosion is more apparent than sheet erosion. This is the second stage of erosion. The first stage, top of the layer will be eroded. Continuous runoff, so this type of cracks will be formed and narrow channels will be formed. So channelization begins and erosion is no longer uniform, and this is the second type of erosion. This type of cracks will be formed on a ground surface, and this one top of the layer will be eroded, thin layer. And gullies erosion, already we can discuss how gullies are formed. Due to heavy rains, top of the layer will be eroded, thin layer will be eroded, and second step is soil will be cut and narrow channels will be formed. These narrow channels will be formed. So unchecked rills result in increased channelization of runoff. Gullies are formed when channelization runoff from vast sloping land is sufficient in volume and velocity to cut deep and wide channels. Deep and wide channels. Gullies are the most symptoms of erosion. Of erosion. So the initial stage, water will be eroded on the top of the soil like sheet erosion. Next one is soil will be cut and narrow channels will be formed. And ravines erosion. This is the ravines river ravine. These are the prolonged process of gully erosion typically found in the large expanses of deep alluvial soils. They are deep and wide gullies, and their formation indicates very advanced stage of gully erosion. These are a very advanced stage of gully erosion. So, deep alluvial soils. These are process of gully erosion typically found in the large expanse of deep alluvial soils. These are especially in deep alluvial soils and landslides. Landslides. Sliding down a large chunk of soil due to steep slopes is called as landslides. Large chunk of soil due to steep slope. So, soil will be away from the soil will be slide down and away from the gullies. Sliding down of large chunk of soil due to steep slope is called landslides. Landslides occurs in mountain slopes when the slope exceeds 20% and width is 6 meters. Width is 6 meters. And stream bank erosion. This stream bank erosion, small streams, torrents, hill streams are subjected to stream bank erosion due to obstruction to another obstruction to their flow. Obstruction to their flow. These are the soil erosion. Soil will be eroded due to these forms. What are the different types? Water erosion are soil erosion due to sheet erosion. The sheet erosion also soil will be eroded top of the soil, and rill erosion also one of the soil erosion. Ground and erosion is more apparent than sheet erosion. When runoff starts, channelization begins and erosion is no longer uniform. Incisions are formed on the ground and erosion is more apparent than sheet erosion. And next one is gully erosion, formed when channelization runoff from vast sloping land is sufficient in volume and velocity to cut deep and wide channels. Wide channels will be formed. Most spectral symptom of the erosion. So in this way soil will be this figure shows the soil eroded, and this is very firm and deep, large expansive of deep alluvial soils, where it is there in that cases large expanse of deep alluvial soils. They are deep and wide gullies, and their formation indicates very advanced stage in gully erosion. This is the next stage in erosion, soil erosion, and this is the landslides. The slope is exceed 20%. The end width is 6 meters. The width is 6 meters, and when the slope exceeds 20%, the sliding down the large chunk of the soil steep slope is called as a landslides. The landslides, gully, soil erosion, and ravines, gully erosion, rill erosion, sheet erosion. Sheet, rill, gully, landslides, and stream bank erosion. This stream bank also, along with the water, soil will be floating. Small streams, rivers, and hill streams are subjected to stream bank erosion due to obstruction to their flow. This is the erosion topic. Continue in the next class. Thank you.